Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission hagas ngitoding jong katayo ka santrik unay tung arjar arpusaw kalaray ban penkot no ya kemukot duma halor kajing ujor Persya USP Barim ke East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi kabakat kum kajing keno laong ba ula persyang ban le de kabor ban weng ye ka kong bindas em ka longkemi ka banari Bhoi district ka bala penlong ye kajing ya ki de ka basong sya thangan ha parking lot hajan ka additional secretariat haga khandai terik ujleo arjar arpusa habaya kren bar kinong thok khubor na kalyang justice retired T Vaipei ula ong bakum bakalong menta amdon wat tang uweiru ubawan mi syakman lakalong na kalyang ginong ujor ni nakabre ka bala penlong ye kajinya ki hadin baka commission kala khot ban penlong ye ka hearing haga por khat weishiteng menstem kumta haga bede bat kani na kalyang Vaipei ula pentip ba namar bamdon ki bawan mi syakman na kalyang ka commission kamla ban penyak syakmat haga debat kamukot duma kumta larai ban pensange no shisendon ya ka jingpet ya kani kamukot duma kumpan supen kin mau na kaliang ka commission kalakhot ya laingut ki bre ki bala ujor Persya USP Barim kat kum ka kaipot jong ka thanat pulit kabala pha de ko office jong ka DGP sha ka commission Shisho na kaliang Ravi hadin kajing syakot hajir ha khat khandai terik ujleo arjar arpusaw ha ka commission ula kentat ya baro kajing keno Persya ya u bat ula kesan ya ka kaipot kabala lum dekat tenat pulit ya kajing ujor Persya USP Barim ke East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi lale do nong ya saj an ka Meghalaya High Court usamla enlang sawian hadin ba ula temu ban weng dekat bor ya ka kong bindas em ka badang penlong ya kajing ya ki dekat basang sat dengan ha parking lot hajan ka additional secretariat kat kum kajing ujor laong ba ha ka khandai terik ujleo arjar arpusaw ha ka por khat architeng min step ki pulit harengkat ki pulit langrut ki balaking atiar ki balaya lamlu SP Rituraj Ravi kilawan poi ha ka jaka songsa athangan ka kong bindas ha ka jaka ba penyang kali ha secretariat klam dawan lang bat ki pulit kenthei ni ki executive magistrate halor kani kajing ujor kabalayo priang na kaliang ka commission kalayay buddin bat kalayay bitengru ban buddin bala ongru bayo nong ujor ba unwan yalam ya utaw bala syak keno hapo ka santrik urempang hagapor khat wasting laong chairperson jong Meghalaya Human Rights Commission kawe pat kajing keno nong ya saj an kalong ba hagato komit na kaliang SP Rituraj Ravi ulabu ai hagapor ba uwan rungjubor hagajaka song syak thangan jong ka kong bindas
of the complainant and the complainants are directed to produce the agreed persons before us. Even at 1:30, nobody turned up. In the sense of the complainants or the agreed person, we cannot proceed with the case effectively. So, in view of this, we have no alternative but to close the case. The case is closed. Finished.
Former SP of
Former
Wisconsin.
SP of.
Doesn't mean yes.
Huh?
You can see he has been acquitted from this charges.
He is exonerated from the charges. There's certainly no proof against him in the absence of proof.
What was his submission before the commission?
He totally denied the allegations. So we call upon the complainant to produce the agreed person to substantiate the case. But as I said earlier, neither the complainant nor the agreed person appear before us, though they were sufficiently given notice for their appearance.
Yes, sir.